One of the most difficult things to do is find yourself in a storm. While in that storm, it seems like everyone who you thought you could count on has walked away. Sometimes it seems like even God himself has forgotten about you. But in spite of that, to still be able to lift your hands and say, Lord, I trust you. Seem so far away. But I'll trust. I need to know your name. As long as I know you're here, Father, I know I can make it. Through the tears and the pain. Thank you, Jesus. Through the heartache and rain, I'll trust you. Sometimes it's so hard because everything that I see tells me not to believe. Everything that I see tells me not to believe. But I'll trust you, Lord. You have never failed me. My past still controls me. Things that happened to me 10 years ago. Let's hurt ever leave. Yeah. I can only trust you. No one loves like you do. But it's the thoughts in my mind. So many somebody's going through something right now. The devil's trying to convince you that there's no way you can make it out. And he says you're not going to be able to get out of this situation. But I wish somebody would make the devil out of a lie right now and lift your hands and say, God, I will trust you. I don't know how